Okay, these are a set of Waterfall curtain lights. They're 2.4 metres wide by 2.4 metre drop, multicolour, comprising of red, green, yellow and blue. So they do three different functions. One, you've got a steady on, which is that. Then the next one is a waterfall effect. It's quite fast. And then you can slow it down slightly. And then it has the opposite effect where it starts filling up from the bottom and then goes to the middle and then to the top. It's like a stacking effect. And then you're back to the steady on. It's on a clear wire with 5 metres of lead wire. Thanks for viewing.